Okay, let's start off by selecting cells A18 to B23, then click in the name box and type bonus underscore table and press the enter key. Now let's select E5 and click the paste function button and select lookup and reference, and scroll down and select VLOOKUP and OK, and let's put B5 in the first box, bonus underscore table in the second box, and 2 in the third box, and OK. And now let's add divide by 1,000 to the end of that formula. This is looking up the information in the bonus table that we used. Now let's copy the formula across, not the blank cell. Let's select the right cell first of all. Copy it across and then copy it down. And now let's select cells A20 to B20 and let's add another row into our table here, and let's right click, well, select those again, and right click and select insert and type 500,000 in A20. Give us the next level that we move up to, and what the bonus is 1,500. And we'll see that that's actually reflected now in our results up here. Now let's click in K5 and type the formula equals E5 plus H5 and press the enter key, and let's copy that across this block, across and down. Oops, not there, not move it. Let's make sure we've got the right cursor and copy down. Okay, now let's select B5 to D11. I did that clicking in there, hold the shift key down. And now let's click in the name box and type sales and enter. Now click in B5 again and go to the format menu and select conditional formatting. Now let's click the arrow in the second box and we want to select less than or equal to, and then in the third box we're going to enter equals average and then sales in brackets or parentheses multiplied by 0.5. So we're going to compare this to the average. See what's compare it to half the average. And now I'll click the format button and select italic and red and OK and OK. Now clicking the name box and select sales, and see that selects the whole block there. Now let's go to our format menu and conditional formatting, and we see that same thing is selected, so we can say OK and we get the same formatting to everything, and there we can see that those that are less than half the average are now coloured red. Now let's click in the name box again and select sales and go to the format menu, conditional formatting and add. And let's select greater than or equal to, and we're going to compare that to 1.5 times the average, so equals average sales in parentheses by 1.5, and click the format button. Oops, what did I do there? By 1.5, and click the format button and on the font tab we want to select, this time we'll select bold and blue, and OK, and OK. Let's click outside of that to see the effect. There we are. Now let's go to the Prices tab and select A1 and go to the Format menu, Auto Format, and let's select Colourful 1 from the list, and Options, and let's clear the Width Height box, and OK. Now let's select cell C11 and go to the Format menu, Cells, and on the Number tab select Accounting, and on the Font tab let's select Times New Roman, right down near the bottom, there we are, and Italic, and OK. Now let's go to the Format menu and Style, and let's give it a name of My Style, and let's clear the Borders checkbox, and OK. Now click the Bonus tab. Let's resize that a little bit. Let's go to the Bonus tab and select E5 to G11, and go to the Format menu, Style, and let's select My Style from the drop list here, and OK. Now we need to resize these columns so we can actually see what the result is. Doesn't that look good? Now let's select K5 to M5, clicking K5, hold the Shift key and click in M11, and go to the Format menu, Cells, the Number tab, and let's select Fraction and as tenths, and OK. Now let's resize and see what's happened here. There we are. Instead of decimals we've got the thing showing as tenths, which is the same as decimals, I guess. Let's select B5 to D11 and go to the Format menu, Cells, and select Scientific, and OK. And let's resize the columns to see the effect here. Now let's select A18 to A24 and go to the Format menu, Cells, Custom, and select the type, the text in the type box there. Select, well, okay, try again, and type in the $sign, the hash symbol or pound symbol, comma, and capital K, and OK. And now let's select B5 to D11 and go to the Format menu, Conditional Formatting, and let's click the Delete button. And we'll select Condition 1 to delete, and OK, and OK. Now click the Select All button up in the top left and go to the Edit menu, clear, formats, and all our work's gone. Let's save it anyway.